Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating index, HTML and styles, CSS in the same project folder so the path stays simple. Once done, open both files in VS Code side by side. Make sure you can see the file tree. Use the integrated terminal or live server extension to preview. This saves time. You should also set the HTML language mode and save both files so autocomplete works. These steps establish the environment and remove path ambiguity before you add the actual link element. You now add the link element inside the head section of index. HTML so styles load before rendering. Type is optional, but rel and href are required. If your CSS sits in a subfolder, use a relative path like /css/styles, CSS, otherwise use styles. CSS. Once added, save both files and refresh the preview. If you use live server, it reloads automatically. Make sure the href matches exact file name and casing, because many systems are case sensitive and will silently fail if mismatched. You finish by validating that CSS loaded. Open DevTools, check network for a 200 status on styles. CSS and look at console for syntax errors. Once done, inspect an element to confirm your selectors apply. If nothing changes, verify file casing, relative path, and that the link is in head. If the browser caches old CSS, perform a hard reload or disable cache while DevTools is open. One quick troubleshooting tip: a typo in the file name is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.